this is a special relationship, which has almost been a problematic concept ever since Churchill launched it, I think, at the end of the Second World War. It's, I mean, it seems to me that the US has a number of special relationships, key allies. We've got one, which tends to be the United States. And I think Johnson doesn't even like speaking about the special relationship. The big problem, of course, is that historically, the British have been extremely useful to US foreign policy because we have been at the heart of the European Union. So if the US wanted to represent things to the European Union and know about what was going on in the European Union, it was very useful to have the British there as a kind of bridge across the Atlantic. And of course, that is now gone. So some of our utility to the United States has been diminished.